Hello, and today we are going to create a Fiverr gig. Ayan, let me just hide my screen myself para full screen tayo. So when we are creating a gig in Fiverr, remember that your Fiverr account that you have created can be used as a client and also a freelancer. Just go to switch to selling kapag mag-offer ka ng service mo, okay? And then now, once you click on click to selling, and then you will be routed to this page. So my dashboard, how I was able to get here is that you click on gigs, and then this page will be given, or will be shown to you. Now let's go ahead and create a gig. Sa paggawa ng gig, palaging ganito yung standard feature niya or interface niya. Notice that wala pang mga ibang categories na lumalabas dito. The categories will only be shown to you kapag nagbigay ka na ng mga alternative, ng keywords na gagamitin. Ibig sabihin, Fiverr will be suggesting categories and niche to you based on what you would post on the gig title. Now, you have 80 max, and then you can please go ahead and check this out too, yung right side. How to create a catchy title, category, okay, ito yung mga policies niya. Now, yung I will is a default. So, hindi mo yan, nandiyan na siya. So, hindi mo siya matatanggal. So, every Fiverr gig says I will. So, I have a sample template here para mas mabilis lang yung pag-explain ko sa inyo at hindi masyadong mahaba yung video natin. So let's say, for example, I will do a gig for social media management, or I'm a social media manager. This will vary kung ano yung i-offer mo ha. Let's say I will create a funnel design, I will create a video animation, I will do transcription, ganyan. So for the purpose of this video, let's try, I will be your social media manager and content creator. Now, I'd like to say this to you in advance. We will be checking other people who are already doing it. Like I keep on telling you on this course, you can check other people's work. Walang masama doon. For as long as you create your own, syempre kailangan mong magkaroon ng guide, di ba? The people who are successful are those people who follow other people who have already been there and who have already been successful. So guide mo lang sila on how you do it kasi you have no idea, right? This is your first time on doing this. So maybe it's best that you check ano ba yung standard, ano yung kalakaran, ano yung common na ginagawa ng mga amazing freelancers out there, what made them successful. And then you get their best practices, and then you apply on your own. That's why I have some sample freelancers here for you so that you can model them. Remember, again, paulit-ulit ko tong sinasabi, model, don't copy. Okay? So let's say, for example, here, you say, I will, wala yung create, I will create your social I will be your social media manager and content creator. You can also do, I will create your social media posts, something like that. And notice that after I put that, it says just perfect. So ibig sabihin okay na yung aking title, and then I have here 80 max characters. Then I can select the category. So kanina 'di ba napansin niyo wala to, but now that I put some keywords here, lumabas yung mga categories. So pwede ka na ring mamili dito sa suggestion, or if you would like, you can still check here kung merong mas appropriate pa dun sa suggestion ni Fiverr. But in my case, okay na ako dito. Social media marketing or advertising is okay with me. And then you're going to select a service type. Let's see. I think I would do ad setup and management. Now, yung mga nakikita mo sa drop down na to, depende to sa kinlik ko na category. You might be confused. Like, wala akong makita coach na ad setup and management. That's because I am doing the social media management. Pagka video creation ka or other things, iba yung lalabas na service type dito because iba yung niche na ginagawa mo. Okay? Now, on the platform, ano yung mga platforms na gusto mong gamitin. That could be Facebook, Instagram, or it's up to you kung ano yung mga kaya mong gawin for social media for that client. So let's just say I'll do YouTube. Ayan. So, sabi niya tatlo. Susundan mo lang to. Now, sa search tags, gamit tayo ng isang example natin. The search tags are what you can see below. Ayan. So, meron siyang 5. Maximize nyo yung 5. Ibig sabihin nito, yung para siyang mga keywords, kumbaga, parang kung if you're familiar with SEO, lalabas dito yung mga related tags to you if the customer or the client types in the following tags, there is a chance na lumabas yung name mo on the searches as freelancer. So let's try this one. So social media management, content creation. So pare-pareho lang yung related tags. Pwede mong kopyahin yan. So social media management, ano pa yung isa? Digital marketing, content creation. Lumabas ba? And then, yeah, digital marketing, Facebook maybe, Facebook advertising. No, we're not gonna do Facebook advertising. Facebook lang, and let's see kung ano pa yung pwedeng lumabas. Social, um, social networking. Let's see. Tingnan natin iba. Kung ano yung mga ginagamit nilang search tags. Ayan, social media content. I like that. Social media content. So we have 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So please note some categories require that sellers verify their skills. So meron dong mga exams, minsan mga certification that you can do. So sundan mo lang siya. Ngayon, ano yung difference nitong packages? For example natin itong mga freelancer na nandito. Yung basic, this is the parang pinaka-basic, pinaka-raw, the cheapest package that you can offer your clients. Let's say compare natin yung media packages niya. This one is the lowest price, 13,000. This one is 21,000 and the premium is 30,000. So ano yung difference? Ito, dalawang platform lang yung ino-offer niya. Ito, tatlo yung platform, yung premium 4. So there's a 30-day management, 30-day management, 2 to 3 social media, ito 3 to 4. Ibig sabihin, that person handles Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, let's say for example. Itong basic, isa o dalawa lang. So, probably Facebook or Instagram lang. It's up to you. Ganyan, okay? So, I'm just giving you idea. So, kung ikaw ang offer mo, halimbawa, ay funnel design o kaya logo creation or logo design, and then you don't know kung ano yung maganda, kung paano yung basic, yung packages, try to search another freelancer, how do they offer it, and then you can pattern there kung kaya mo yung ganong packages. But if you would like to just be on the beginning, like super basic lang talaga muna, you can create lang basic lang. Walang ibang packages na kasama. So, para mas maging madali sa'yo na ito lang yung offer ko, one standard offer for everybody. But if you would like to create like mas competitive, para mas makita nila yung mga pricing mo, you can do this. Parang ito yung combo meal, kumbaga. Alright? And then you can name your package. This is, I took this as a sample nitong mga to. So, sample lang to ha, para lang makita ninyo. Pero like I said, create your own para lang mabilis. So, yes, I copied this para hindi lang din ako masyadong matagal sa pag-explain sa inyo. Ayan. And then you describe the offer of your, ano yung offer, ano yung package mo. So, dito, I would be offering 15-day management and one social media account. So, you can create this emoji if you would like. So, ganyan siya. And then, this one, ito siya. And then here, dito siya. So, it's up to you now kung anong gusto mong delivery time. If you think you can deliver this, depende ha. So, kung this one is 15-day management, so probably I will be delivering this on 14 days or something like that. So, you get to choose, or 15 days. Ayan. So, look, minsan long term din. Let's say 30 days, let's say 21 muna to. I can deliver this for, now, halimbawa, gumagawa ka lang ng logo, hindi mo kailangan ng 30-day. You can probably say 1-day delivery, ganyan. Okay, so itong mga nakikita nyo dito, this is related to social media management, ha? If you have a different niche, you will not see this. These are dependent on the gig that you are creating. So what are you going to do? This one, I'll be doing this, I'll be doing this. Season, add content creation, okay, sure. Ganyan. So, you play around with this, ads analytical. Kung hindi ka marunong gumawa ng analytical, then let it be. Leave it like that. Management duration days, let's say. So, medyo matagal siyang gawin kasi syempre kailangan mong pag-isipan. And how much are you charging? Ayan. Tapos, nagko-convert siya into dollars after. Let's say, for example. Sample lang, ha? Para lang madali. Ayan. Max na yon. Max of 10,000. Okay. Masyadong marami naman yung ano. Let's say $1,000. 2,000. 2,500. Ayan. Something like that. And then if you have extra services that you would like to give to them, like parang to make it an irresistible offer, kung hindi naman, wag mo na lang lagyan. A page description is too long. Okay. Sige, palitan natin yung page description. Sorry. Buong ano na pala yung nilagay ko. Ito na lang. 2, 3. Ayan. And then, briefly describe your gig. Are you looking for a professional social media manager? And copy and then paste. Okay, ayan. So what do we do? Make sure that you also put bulleted form. Mas magandang naka-bullet form siya para mas kita. Tapos tanggalin mo na lang to. Kasi kinapi ko lang to dun sa kaninang social. Para pakita ko lang sa inyo kung saan sila nilalagay. Ganyan. Pero syempre, kung ikaw ang gagawa, dapat mas pulido. This is just a sample. Now, ano yung mga frequently asked questions? Parang ganito siya, yung mga common na itinatanong ng mga clients. So, kuha ka lang din dito ng mga possible na you think it will make sense to you and will it apply to you. Once the order is placed, which is the next step. So if you would like this, like let's say naka-resonate ka dito sa question na to, don't do it like as if parehong-pareho, pero palitan mo yung mga wordings niya. Ayan. Ito yung mga common questions ng mga clients. So add another FAQ. Will I be able to do? How are the posts created? Okay, so how are the posts created? Lagay mo lang din yung answer. Okay, so let's say, for example, dalawa yung FAQ natin. Ayan. Get all the information you need. So, magtatanong ka na ngayon, ask a question. Please provide me your, halimbawa, your social media accounts. Ganyan. Can you provide me the social media account login and details? Something like that. Get in a form of, pwede bang multiple choice, attachment, or free text. So, free text yung susulat lang nila. You must add at least one requirement. Mm, yan. Okay, now, dun sa gallery. Remember, kanina meron tayong ginawa sa Canva kung paano gumawa ng mga gig gallery. So, this is where you will be uploading this na. Mas maganda ideally you have three images, di ba? If you have video, good. Kung meron kang video, one video lang. Ito yung ginagawa nila for the video, parang mga explanation. Hanap tayo ng sample. Ito yung mga portfolio nila. Ito yung mga gig na related sa kanya. Remember, we created one. Hanapin ko lang Hintayin ko lang mag-load. My sister is using my Canva. Asa na ba yan? Sino yung ginawa natin dati? Ito. Ayan. Ito, yung ginawa natin na sample kanina. So, same thing. You can put this, download this, and then you have to put this. Ideally, 3 images, right? So, ganito yung mga example. Ito yung mga portfolio na ginawa ni freelancer Emmy Kovasi for her clients. So, you can create something like this and then pattern and then put it on your account. Ganyan. Okay, so you gotta put it here. Kung meron kang documents na gustong ipakita, sure, let's download this one. My internet is a little slow today. Ayan, and then we can go ahead and drag it here. Nice. Okay, so dalawa pa. Create ka pa ng dalawa. And then click on save and continue once you're good, once you're satisfied with that. And that's it. Almost there. Let's publish your gig and get some bias rolling. Once you click on this, it will be live na. And then click on save and preview, save or save and preview if you would like to. That's how you create a gig on Fiverr. It's easy, right? So, ganyan siya. Wow. So, kung marami ka pang portfolio, lagay mo rito, ganyan. So, ganito na itsura niya. Very similar na dun sa nakikita natin na, wow, ang mahal ng package ko. Papalitan natin. Anyway, it's sample lang naman. So, nakita niyo yung mga ginawa natin, di ba? So, lumabas siya dito sa gilid. Ganyan. And then, this is the FAQ I did. This is the related tagging. Alright? So, that's how you create your gig. Now, in the event na ayaw mo siya or gusto mong may palitan ka sa kanya, just go ahead and click on edit the gig and you will be brought up again to the very same page that we had created before. Easy enough? Alright, so go ahead and do one or a maximum of siguro 5 gigs. Try 3 to 5 gigs that you will be doing for yourself and for your clients. If you have any questions relating to this, I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Okay? So go and create a gig. Have a good day and see you on the next video.